Hey YouTube, welcome back to Everything Outdoors. If you're new to my channel, like and subscribe. If not, hope you enjoy. Well, anyways, I'm on the undisclosed location here in northern Alberta. I don't be on camera that much, but I just shy of the camera sometimes. So anyways, I'm just here at this lovely spot, probably for a week, 7 days. Anyway, I'll show you my camper all set up. 360 do-blue. Parked it in a shady spot, right beside a tree, little private area, beside a busy road. That's alright, it'll quiet down during the night. Spot, have my chair set up. Anyways, this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you my setup here in northern Alberta, undisclosed location. So hope you like this video, and maybe you'll see more of me on camera if I come on shy. Anyways, YouTube, this is Everything Outdoors. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.